Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Shareef Muhammad, Oracle Supply Chain Consultant. Welcome to the second session for Oracle eAM complete cycle. Now still we are in the setup phase. In the last session, as we have seen, we created a new asset. We see how to create a new asset and how to make an asset group, asset number, how to define asset group, asset number, how to make the asset hierarchy, and how to define a rebuildable item, and how to define resources, and finally how to attach documents to an asset. Now we will see, we will continue the necessary setup steps required. Now we will see how to create a department. Department, or how to define a new department. Department is a crew which performing maintenance activities for an asset. Let us see here. Department, Control L, department. I will define here a new department. Maintenance, forklift, Shareef test 2. Maintenance, mobile equipment. Here is the description. We write here the description. Here like the code, and here the description. Test Shareef 2. Okay, then for this department we can assign resources for this department. Select resources, then we can add here resources for the department. Resources can be man or tools or external services. Let us select here engineer, maintenance engineer. Available 24 hours? No, it will not be available 24 hours. Unit of measure hour by hour. This team we have say one engineer, one mechanical maintenance engineer. Okay, we can add another resource. For example, we will add a toolkit to this department. Toolkit. This is available 24 hours. Okay, here I can write here the shift for the first resource, the engineer, in which shift he is working. I can say here normal day shift. So this resource is available normal day shift. Save. Let me keep here only one resource, which is engineer. To delete the row, as we can see here, select delete. Okay, save. Save. Now we save one department. Okay, let me define another department. Control L, department. I will define new department, maintenance team, forklift, Shareef 3. Okay, maintenance, changing oil. For example, this is the name for the new department. I'm going to define the resources. I will assign also resources for this department. I will select engineer, maintenance engineer. And I will select a toolkit here. Available, the toolkit is available 24 hours. Save. Now as we see this message, this is non 24 hours, which is the first resource, the engineer. If non 24 hours, this means I have to define in which shift is existing this engineer. I will select also normal day shift. Save. Then I can save here the changes. Now I have defined department, and I have add resources to the defined department. Next step, we are going to see how to define an activity. The activity is set of operations that is applied to maintain an asset. When we would like to maintain an asset, we will assign activity for this asset. For example, activity name is changing oil. This activity contains of set of operations required to continue the activity or the maintenance activity. Also, we can assign activity bill of material, which are the material required or the material that will be used to maintain the asset. We can add also resources to the operations, which means what are the resources that will be used to perform the operation, and operations are part of the activity. Let us see how to define a new activity. Go to activities, master activities, write the name. Here I will write the name changing oil, 5 tons forklift SH3. Here is the description of the activity. Test. Shareef 3. Now to define the activity, as we see here, it's like the master item window, the same. Now go to asset management, select tools, copy from, template, then select the template, add activity, then apply, then done. We can select here the activity type. This activity type is maintenance. Activity cause, this is preventive maintenance, and we can select here the activity source, which is routine. The shutdown type, if we need shutdown or no. Of course we need shutdown. Here will be required to change oil, the asset needs shutdown. Then save. Now we created a new activity and save it. Here is the unit of measure each. Then save. Now we created an activity. Now as we see, after creating the activity, open again the activity. Find. sh2 find. Changing oil. Changing oil. This activity, now we will press find. Changing oil test. This one, go to organization, assignment. Okay, we will find this is assigned in the master only. We have to assign it in the organization that we will use, FAC here. If you'd like to assign to all the organizations, press assign all, then save. And close. Activity association, we would like to associate this activity with an asset. Okay, go to activity association, which means this activity will be used to maintain that asset. Activity association, now select the activity. Changing oil. Changing oil. This is the activity that we have just created. Now go to asset group, select the asset group. This is the asset group. Mobile equipment. Okay, so this activity is associated with that asset group. The asset number, select the asset number. Here will appear all the assets under this asset group, under the selected asset group. As we can see, a forklift, five tons, save. Now this activity is associated with that group. Save.